Back for Uruguay.
Come on, Uruguay! Come on, Australia! Come on, Australia!
Griezmann.
Goal! Yay! Strike! Strike! Strike!
First attempt on target in this one.
Have you been watching the games? It's a FIFA World Cup year 2026. The finals in July. It's coming up. We're in May, so it's only 1 month away. And the other countries are being eliminated because then it's the grand final, the semi-finals, the grand final, the big match. Guess what? PopMart, in cooperation with FIFA World Cup, they have made a Labubu! A Labubu! Especially for this World Cup 2026. And here it is. Let's check it out. Are you ready for it? 1, 2, 3. Look at this Labubu. Can't wait until I unbox it and you can see it. But straight away I can see he's holding the World Cup, the FIFA World Cup. So let's open him up and check it out. Alright, the first thing that we notice here, with all Labubus, they have the card. And here's the card for the FIFA World Cup. There you go. Look at him as he comes out. Isn't he gorgeous? All the detailed, even the shoes. Let me take him out. And there you go. Here is our little champion. Check him out. He's got the FIFA World Cup. And his eyes shift as well, so he's watching. There we go. Both eyes are in the middle now. Look at his shoes. It's like the soccer shoes with the needles underneath. And look, it's got the FIFA World Cup sneakers. And the FIFA World Cup even here on the shirts, and the colors of the FIFA World Cup. It's very exciting. One thing you can see is you can actually take his shoesy off, right? And look at his 3-toed foot, right? So, and then you can take the other one, and underneath the other one you can see the PopMart sign. Alright. Oh, one thing else that I need to point out, look at the back of the jumper. The Monsters 10 Labubu. So this is Team Labubu. I don't think they're gonna make it to the World Cup Grand Final though. There is no Labubu country competing. But look at his whole outfit. Alright. He's got multiple layers of pants. Right. Looks very sporty. He will definitely be helping me support as we watch the World Cup games. Look at the features of this beautiful Labubu. His fur is very soft, and I love the vibrant blue that contrasts well with his sweater. And look, all his garments are so well made. Look at the stitch work, even underneath. It's so well made. You can tell that these are quality pieces. Now, one of the things I need to do is buy a stand. That's one thing that's missing. You can always put them back in the box, but I prefer them outside the box so I can really enjoy this. And this is going to be my mascot as I watch the 2026 FIFA World Cup. And he's going to help me cheer on. And hopefully Australia will make it to the top. Yay! Go Australia, go Australia, go Australia. Alright, so if you like these Labubu, you can get it from the Pop Mart in Sydney City, right? Just a few steps down from Town Hall Station, right, where there's the Pop Mart store, and they've got them in stock. Alright, beautiful piece and a great souvenir for this year's 2026 limited edition World Cup. Now, if you like this, don't forget to like and subscribe and always follow us, alright, until our next reveal. And from us, go Aussie!